Is Destin, Florida a good place to buy real estate? If you're thinking about buying real estate in Destin, Florida, you're definitely not alone. Every day people search things like, is Destin a good place to live? Is Destin a good real estate investment? Should I buy property in Destin, Florida? And one question I'm hearing more and more lately is the Destin real estate market about to crash? Today, I'm going to answer all those questions and give you the real story about buying property in Destin. And after 37 years in real estate, I'll tell you exactly what buyers should know before purchasing here. Why so many people want Destin real estate. First, let's talk about why Destin is on everyone's radar. Destin isn't just another Florida beach town. It's known for emerald green water, some of the whitest sand beaches in the world-class fishing, luxury vacation resorts, and one of the strongest vacation rental markets in Florida. In fact, many people first visit Destin as tourists. Then they come back and say, you know what? I want a place here. That's why the area has attracted buyers from Texas, Tennessee, Georgia, Illinois, the Midwest, and increasingly from the Northeast. A lot of buyers are looking for second homes, vacation rentals, or a place to eventually retire. Is Destin a good investment? Now let's talk about the big question. Is Destin a good real estate investment? Well, for many buyers, the answer is yes, and here's why. Destin has a major advantage over many beach markets. It has extremely strong tourism. Millions of visitors come to the Emerald Coast every year, which creates demand for vacation rentals, second homes, and investment condos. That demand is what drives the local real estate market. Many buyers purchase condominiums specifically for rental income, especially near the beach, harbor area, and resort communities. Now, that doesn't mean every property is automatically a great investment. Things like HOA fees, rental restrictions, property management costs, insurance, and location all play a major role in whether a property performs well. But when you buy the right property in the right location, Destin can be a very strong long-term investment. This is another question I see constantly on YouTube and Google. Is the Destin real estate market crashing? Well, short answer is no. The market has changed. During the pandemic years, Destin experienced an extremely strong seller's market. Prices moved up quickly because demand was huge and inventory was very low. Since then, the market has started to normalize. That means inventory has increased, buyers have more choices, and properties take a little longer to sell, but that's not a crash. That's what we call a balanced market. And for buyers, that can actually be a very good thing because today's buyers often have more negotiating power, more inventory to choose from, and less competition than we saw a few years ago. Who is buying in Destin right now? Well, most buyers in the Destin market fall into three main groups. One, vacation home buyers. These are people who want a place they can use for a few weeks or months each year while also renting it when they're not here. Two, real estate investors. These buyers are focused mainly on rental income and appreciation. Destin tourism makes this a popular strategy. Three, relocation buyers. Many people are moving to Florida for the lifestyle, lower taxes, warmer weather, and coastal environment. And Destin offers something unique, a beach lifestyle without the size and congestion of cities like Miami or Tampa. Things buyers should watch out for. Now, let me share a few things buyers really need to understand before purchasing here. First, insurance cost. Florida insurance has changed dramatically over the past few years, and it's important to understand the full cost of ownership before buying. Second, HOA fees, especially with condominiums. Some condo buildings have higher fees because they include things like insurance, maintenance, amenities, and reserves. Third, rental rules. Not every condo allows short-term rentals. Very important. And if you're buying for investment purposes, that's a very important factor. Working with a local realtor who understands the Destin market can help you avoid surprises. So is Destin a good place to buy real estate? So let's come back to the big question. Is Destin, Florida a good place to buy real estate? For many buyers, the answer is absolutely yes. Destin offers beautiful beaches, strong tourism, a lifestyle many people dream about. and long-term demand for property. But like any real estate market, success comes to buying the right property at the right price in the right location. If you're thinking about buying property in Destin, Florida, whether it's a condo, vacation home, or just an investment property, I'd be happy to help you understand the market and what options are available. You can reach me anytime. I'm Keith Bailey, Realtor with Century 21 All Points Realty, and I specialize in the Destin real estate market. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I consistently post videos about the Destin real estate market, property values, buying and selling tips, and everything happening along the Emerald Coast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.